Today we will make a video of all aluminum coins that were running in India. Previously, the coins were made of copper, nickel, then bronze and brass, and other metals. The prices of metals goes high. Then government of India or Reserve Bank of India circulated or introduced aluminum magnesium coins at the ratio of 96:4. First was 1965 aluminum magnesium alloy coin. It was introduced in 1965 to 1972. This is 1 paisa coin. After that is 2 paisa coin in 1965, 1967, 1966, 1967, 68 up to 79. These were minted from Bombay and Calcutta. Some of these coins or few coins are rare. Now the only 3 paisa coin was introduced with the metal aluminum magnesium with the dia of 20 mm, weight 1 gram, 8 notches, scalloped coin. Oh, 2 naya paisa. Now it is 3 naya paisa. 3 naya paisa was introduced in 1964 from Bombay and Calcutta Mint. In Indian coinage there was no 3 paisa, and it was introduced in 1964 from 1964 to 1971. These were all introduced from Bombay, Calcutta, Hyderabad. Its weight is 1.5 grams, dia 21 mm, thickness 2 mm, and edge is smooth hexagon. Now it is 5 paisa coin. It is here, 5 paisa coin of aluminum magnesium. In Devanagari it was written Rupai ka 20वां भाग, the 20th part of the rupee. And its aluminum is called legend aluminum because it was made of only aluminum metal. That is the pure metal. Its weight is 1.6 grams, dia 2.20 mg. These were circulated from 1967 to 1976. And in 1972 it was without Devanagari. Its weight was 1.5 gram, thickness 2.1 mg. It successfully run up to 1994. Maximum of these coins were common coins. Its value from 5 to 10 rupees. And some coins like 1980 Kolkata Mint coin was a rare coin, values 100 from 100 to 300 rupees. 1984 UNC condition, it is 3,200 rupees, and extra fine condition 2,000 rupees. Rest of the coins are all common. These are regular definitive coins. And some of these coins were circulated on some occasions called commemorative coins. It is 1974, 1977, 1978 and 1980. Now comes 10 paisa. Previously it was copper nickel, then nickel bronze, and now aluminum magnesium. Aluminum magnesium coins were introduced in 1971 of 10 paisa coin, 1971 to 1982 one design, and from 1983 to 1993 the other design. This was the first design, 1975 coin that is shown here. Yeah, it is the second design of the coin. Its weight is 1.7 grams dia, 23 mm, 8 scalloped, smooth edge coin. Then comes, yeah, there were some commemorative coins in these: Planet Family Food for All, Equality Development for Peace, Food and Work for All, Save for Development, Food and Shelter for All, Happy Child Nation Pride, Rural Women's Advancement, World Food Day, 9th Asian Games, and again in 1982 World Food Day. Now it is 20 paisa coin of aluminum magnesium. These were circulated in 1982. These were up 1982 to 1990 are all common coins. Now 1992 Hyderabad coin is a scarce coin, and few coins like 1996 Hyderabad coin was scarce coin, and 1997 Hyderabad Mint was rare coin. It is a rare coin, values 100 to 500 rupees. And two commemorative coins were also circulated in these 20 paisa coins. In 1982 were minted from Kolkata and Hyderabad. Vishwa Khadi Divas, World Food Day. It is a scarce coin, values 400 rupees or more. And in 1983 Kolkata and Hyderabad, this is also a scarce coin, fisheries, 75 to 100 rupees. And it is full aluminum coin set.